Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to know more about the Multispan Color Mark Sensor. The model is CMS-5X. These are used to detect the cutting mark on paper from inkjet markers. More importantly, these are used in packaging lines to detect the color errors in packaging boxes. This is the working setup of this is the Multispan CMS-5X. This is how it looks like. We will see the wire connection of the sensor. The red wire is 12 to 24 volt DC power. Black is for the ground connection, yellow is the NPN output and green is for PNP output. This is the color mark sensor. The green LED is the mark LED. It blinks when the mark teaching is in progress. The red is the output LED. It turns on when the mark is recognized. The yellow LED blinks when the background teaching is in progress. The mark key, press it for 3 seconds to teach the mark color to CMS. The background teach key, press it for 3 seconds to teach the background color to CMS. Currently, the sensor is connected to the red and the green lights separately. Here, the green light recognizes the marked color. The red light here does not recognize the marked color. The green LED turns on when the sensor turns red. This is how the green LED turns on when the red, green, black, and yellow colors are recognized. The features include multicolor sensing. It can scan from up to distance of 10 to 15 mm. It is ultra fast and has accurate response. It also has compact and sleek design. The specifications are that it has a light source of red, green and blue, and output as NPN and PMP proximity sensor. The terminals and the pin diagram is as shown below. The applications include printing machinery, packaging machine, food and beverage industry, and pharmaceutical sector. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to the channel.